The tastiest mayo-free potato salad you can make. I love the salty mix of anchovies and prosciutto in this salad. Anchovies often get a bad rap, but they're actually really delicious, especially when fresh. They're also rich in essential omega-3s and low in mercury, since they're low on the food chain. You don't need many to enjoy their flavor. Trust me on this, try them once and you'll never know how you lived without them. Prep time, 5 minutes. Total time, 25 minutes. Serves for 1 pound new potatoes, halved. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 8 asparagus spears, woody ends removed. 8 slices prosciutto, torn into bite-size pieces. 1 C cherry tomatoes, halved. 3/4 C baby endive. 1/2 bulb baby fennel, thinly sliced. 10 fresh anchovies. 1/2 avocado, sliced. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1. Cook potatoes in saucepan with boiling water until just tender. Drain and set aside. 2. When potatoes are almost cooked, heat coconut oil in skillet. Sauté asparagus until just tender, 2 to 4 minutes. 3. Place prosciutto in large bowl with tomatoes, endive, fennel, anchovies, avocado, cooked potatoes, and asparagus. 4. In small bowl, whisk lemon juice, olive oil, and mustard. Pour over salad. 5. Season well with salt and pepper, then gently toss and serve.